Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'll show you how we'll apply for a cash loan using Billease app. This tutorial is straight to the point, so just follow everything I say. Let's begin now. Step 1. Download Billease app. Install it from Play Store directly. Step 2. Open the app. Let's set up your new account. Step 3. Tap Sign Up. We are creating now your Billease profile. Step 4. Enter your details. Name, birthday, and valid email address. Step 5. Verify your number. Type your mobile and confirm via OTP. Step 6. Set your password. Make it secure and easy to remember. Step 7. Upload one ID. Government issued only like UMID or passport. Step 8. Take a selfie. Make sure clear with proper lighting. Step 9. Input work info. Even freelancers accepted. Just be honest. Step 10. Add references. Use people who can vouch for you. Step 11. Submit your form. Check everything first, then hit submit. Step 12. Wait for approval. It won't take too long usually. Step 13. Loan gets approved. If successful, funds are ready to use. Step 14. Shop or borrow. Use Billease credit for items or cash. Step 15. Pay on time. Avoid late fees and credit issues. Step 16. Check your status. Track everything inside your Billease app. And that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching. This is Gel Tolentino. Subscribe right here and feel free to check out my other channels too. Got a tutorial you want me to cover next? Drop it in the comments. See you on the next one.